In this video, I'm going to show you how to add customized text on CapCut PC step by step so you can make your videos look more polished, more engaging, and way more professional. Whether you want to add a title, a subtitle, a callout, or just a stylish text overlay, this method is simple, beginner-friendly, and works great for any kind of video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline, look at the top of the screen and click the Text tab. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text tools, and it's the starting point for adding your own custom words to the video. After that, select Default Text. You'll see an option to add it to your project, and you can click the plus icon or simply drag and drop it directly onto your video timeline. As soon as it's on the timeline, CapCut creates a text layer that you can edit and style however you want. Now click the text on the timeline so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut won't let you change the text itself until the layer is active. Once it's selected, go to the top right side of the screen and open the Text tab, then click Basic. In this section, you'll see the default placeholder text. Delete the words default text and type in your own custom message. This could be your video title, an intro phrase, a quote, a label, or any text that fits your content. Take your time here and make sure the wording is exactly how you want it, because this is the text that will appear on your video. Once the text is typed in, you can start customizing it to match your style. CapCut gives you a lot of useful options here. You can change the font to match the mood of your video, increase or decrease the size so it fits better on screen, and adjust the color so it stands out against your background. If you want the text to be more visible, you can also add a stroke, which creates an outline around the letters. This is especially helpful if your video background is bright, busy, or moving. You can also adjust spacing to make the text look cleaner and more balanced. Spacing can make a huge difference in how professional your text feels, so even small adjustments can help a lot. If you want your text to feel more dynamic, click the Animation tab next to Basic. This is where you can add in and out transitions to your text. Animations help the text appear smoothly and disappear in a more polished way, instead of just popping on the screen. You can choose an animation that fits the style of your video, whether you want something subtle, modern, or more eye-catching. A good animation can make even simple text look much more exciting. After you finish customizing the font, color, stroke, spacing, and animation, play back your video to see how the text looks in motion. This step is really important because sometimes text looks great in the editor, but even better when you preview it with the actual footage. If needed, go back and make small changes until it feels just right. You can also extend or shorten the text clip on the timeline so it stays on screen for the exact amount of time you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to add customized text on CapCut PC and style it so it fits your video perfectly. Once you get comfortable with this, you can use the same process for captions, titles, callouts, and all kinds of creative text effects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut editing tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.